Okay, so today's Friday and I was like, how about I do a little vlog? I've been wanting to do a vlog. So I've got my cooking videos, I've got my blog, so why not do a vlog? I know there's a lot of people, I get a lot of requests for what I eat, what I do, to whatever have I done to lose over 60 pounds. So why don't you join me for today? I'm in my office. This is not my house. This is my office where we cook the video, or we cook for the cooking videos. So this is where we do all of that stuff. And today I'm not cooking for the YouTube. Let me think about this. Okay, so I'm not cooking for YouTube today, but I am here because I had work to do. This morning I had a coaching call with my membership at 9 a.m. So I did that. I have a list of things to do. So I have already done I'm working on a blog post right now. I need to do the meal plan for my membership. I need to type up 2 recipes for a cookbook. I need to upload the Zoom video that I just did for my membership. I upload the replay for them, and I need to mail some things. But guess what else I need to do? I need to eat some lunch. So right now I'm going to make some bacon. I'm just gonna cook some bacon in the oven. That's gonna be my lunch. It's super simple. There's no need to overcomplicate things. I'm gonna eat 6 pieces of bacon for lunch. Yes, and it's going to be glorious, so delicious. Let me just tell you what else I've had today, or I can show you. Let me go grab it. It's in the freezer. I already ate it. And that's what the new recipe is today. So the new recipe on my blog today is keto fudge, and that's what I had for breakfast. So, oh my gosh, guys, look at this. It is so good, so chocolatey, so rich. I put some walnuts on top and some crunchy sea salt. Amazing. So that was my breakfast. I keep this in the freezer in my office. I put the lid back on it and put it back in the freezer. Also, what I've had this morning is coffee and one of these. I love these. I love these so much. Coke with coffee. It's got lipstick on it because I already drank it. But Coke with coffee, 0 sugar. I drink stuff like this. It's not going to kill me. It's amazing. So let me put this back in the freezer and let me get going making my bacon. This is the best bacon. Wright brand hickory bacon. It's my favorite. So this, let's see how much is in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 7 in here, so I might as well just cook all of them. I'm gonna cook it in the oven. This recipe's on my blog. It's my favorite way to cook bacon. I'm gonna cook it on a sheet tray on some foil in the oven at 375 degrees until it's crispy. It's not that hard. All right, bacon is in the oven. It's going to be crispy and delicious. It's 7 slices, and I'm gonna eat all of it. That's gonna be my lunch, and that's why I love keto. So back in a jiff with my bacon, and while that's cooking, I'm gonna finish up this blog post. And done. The recipe for the chocolate fudge, the keto chocolate fudge, is now on my blog, jenniferbands.com. Go check it out. It is like little bites of heaven. And then it's got walnuts on top. And if you put crunchy sea salt on top, chef's kiss. It is amazing. So be sure you check that out, jenniferbands.com. I'll be back with my bacon. Not quite ready. I like to flip it halfway through sometimes. I like mine to be nice and crispy. I don't like flabby bacon. It's the worst. Literally the worst. So a little bit longer, a few more minutes. Okay, we got the bacon all ready, and I am going to weigh how much I have. So I don't just eat willy-nilly. I'm gonna make sure I document how much bacon I'm eating in grams. Packages sometimes don't tell you the whole story, and it might say a slice of bacon is 14 grams, and really a slice after you cook it is 20 grams. So that's 5 grams going unaccounted for. When it comes to bacon, that could be a lot of calories. So this is 120 grams of bacon. This is all I'm going to eat until dinner. And I want to talk about the flack that bacon gets, stuff, like processed meats for one, but also just because it's bacon. So it's fatty, it's got a lot of fat. Bacon actually has a really good fat to protein ratio. It is where there's, for instance, 10 grams of fat, 10 grams of protein. So they're equal. The calorie amount's not equal because protein has less calories than fat. 1 gram of protein has 4 grams of calories, 4 calories. 1 gram of fat has 9. So, but a good protein to fat ratio is 1-to-1, and bacon is almost perfect. So don't stop demonizing bacon. There's nothing wrong with bacon. It's delicious. Just eat your dang bacon if you want to. So I'm gonna go eat my bacon. Oh, hi. So I'm also gonna have some tea. I love tea, especially this tea right here. It is my favorite. There's nothing special about this tea. It's not weight loss tea. It's just delicious tea. And I drink it at least once a day, unsweetened. It's just so good. Okay, work is done for the day. Bacon has been eaten. I'm going to have another Coke coffee, 0 sugar, and I'm gonna clean up, and then I'm gonna head home. So let's get to it.